One evening, John was walking home from work when he saw something on the sidewalk. It was a wallet. He picked it up and looked around, but no one was nearby. John opened the wallet to see if he could find any information about the owner. Inside, he found an ID card with the name Emily Parker. There was also some money and a few credit cards. John knew he had to return it, but he didn't know how to contact Emily. As John continued walking, he noticed a coffee shop nearby. He decided to ask the barista if anyone had come in looking for a wallet. John walked in and asked, "Excuse me, has anyone lost a wallet here today?" The barista shook her head. "No, I haven't heard anything, but maybe you could leave it with us in case someone comes back." John thought for a moment and said, "Actually, I'll try to find her myself." "Thank you, though." Just then, a woman rushed into the coffee shop, looking worried. She was holding her phone and checking her bag. John walked up to her and asked, "Are you Emily Parker?" "Yes, I am." "How did you know?" She replied, surprised. "I found your wallet outside," John said, handing it to her. Emily's face lit up with relief. "Oh, thank you so much. I was so worried I had lost it for good." "No problem. I'm just glad I could help," John smiled. Emily thanked him again and offered to buy him a coffee, but John kindly declined. He waved goodbye and continued his walk home, feeling good about his day.
Now it's quiz time. What did John find on the sidewalk? A. A phone. B. A wallet. C. Keys. D. A book. Answer. B. A wallet. What was the name on the ID card? A. Sarah Johnson. B. Emily Parker. C. Jessica Brown. D. Lisa Miller. Answer. B. Emily Parker. Where did John go to ask about the lost wallet? A. A library. B. A coffee shop. C. A restaurant. D. A police station. Answer. B. A coffee shop. What did Emily offer John after getting her wallet back? A. A ride. B. A gift. C. To buy him a coffee. D. Her phone number. Answer. C. To buy him a coffee. How did John feel after helping Emily? A. Angry. B. Sad. C. Good. D. Confused. Answer. C. Good.
Now it's vocabulary time. Sidewalk, meaning a paved path for pedestrians at the side of a road. Relief, meaning a feeling of reassurance and relaxation following the release of anxiety or distress. Barista, meaning a person who serves coffee and other drinks in a coffee shop. Decline, meaning to politely refuse an offer or invitation. Anxious, meaning experiencing worry, unease, or nervousness.